Hello, dear all. In this session, I will talk about lesson plans with AI, how you can use generative AI to create lesson plans. AI can enhance the way you approach lesson planning by time saving, providing personalized recommendations, and enabling more effective curriculum design. It will help you a lot. As you know, lesson planning starts with an aim. An aim or an objective is where you want your students to go. It needs to be specific, measurable, so you can tell whether you have achieved your goal, your objective or not. And in this, AI can help you. One way is to give the AI information about your class. That includes information about students, the topic, the target language, the sub skills, and more, whatever you wish. AI can use the information to create a name. For example, I tried a prompt like this. Please give me suggestions for a lesson objective. My students are B1 level and 13 years old. We are studying a unit on superstitions with the target language of first condition and future time clauses. They enjoy games and reading stories. Please begin the aim with by the end of the lesson, students will be able to blah blah blah. And as you say, it gave me 5 different objectives. You can just look at them, you can use them as they are, or you can edit them, or you can ask AI to edit them. As it asks you, would you like me to expand any of this? So you can give another prompt for a follow up and work on these objectives together. And AI can also help you check aims you have already written or it has already written. As you know, good objectives usually follow some important principles like being measurable, being specific, focusing on what students will be able to do. Maybe it can include some examples from the target language, and usually they start with by the end of the lesson. So you can ask AI, giving a prompt, whether your aims meet these standards or not. And AI can suggest changes as well. For example, here I tried it using ChatGPT. I gave my objective that students will be able to construct a sentence in English using correct grammar and punctuation, and I gave it the criteria. It's up to you, but I wanted to see whether it works with the criteria or not. Maybe you can just tell it, please revise this for me. Here, as you see, it analyzed the objectives, it analyzed according to the criteria I gave it, and it suggested me a revised one. So you can check that the revised one. Maybe you can give some follow-up prompts to have a better one, or you can use it as it's. And now that we have an objective, we can turn to writing a plan. Again, of course, there are so many different ways of getting AI to plan a lesson for you. We can give information to AI, just give you information about the class or and the target, and ask it to create a plan based on this. Or you can give the AI the lesson objectives and ask it to suggest some activities, some, I don't know, materials maybe. Or another way could be you can show AI a previous lesson plan that you made, then ask it to create a new plan using this template so that you have the format. And I tried it with ChatGPT. You can create a prompt like this. You could include in your prompt the lesson name, the language skills and sub skills, the level of the students' preferences, the context, the setting, the timing, time duration, and the staging model that you choose. And you can structure a prompt like this. For example, I tried this. Please help me write a TFL lesson plan. I gave it the lesson aim, language focus, student preferences, age, context, and staging model. And I gave it the duration, and I also asked for a table format. Let's see the result. Here is the result. So it followed the PPP after forma, presentation, practice, and production, and it gave the wrap up, which we really like. It gave the interaction patterns, the aims of the lesson, the procedures, and the time slots. And giving follow up prompts, you can edit it or you can just edit it on your own. I liked it actually. And I gave you some prompt templates. You can use them. Please look at the other materials. See you next time.